someone's got injured again in 5 minutes time. Yeah, right, you know what I mean? And, you know, they know I'm on my course. So they're just doing it, and it's in the same location. It sounds like it's in the same area as before. And they're just doing it for the noise campaign, you know what I mean? It's nothing. I mean, this is like 5 minutes after I recorded that first one. And it's constant all day, you know. Constant. Well, you know, I'm just paranoid, and I'm just being delusional, because it happens every day, all day, eh? But, you know, I'm sorry, but it happens way too many times to be genuine. And I don't care what anyone says. So, especially if you haven't experienced it, you don't have any right to comment knowing, like, you know what I'm going through, you know what I'm saying? So don't comment if you haven't been through it, saying, oh, I'm paranoid, I'm crazy, because you haven't been through this. So